Wow.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
He's doing the advance, Papa.
Wow.
20.
Okay, let's go to the other exercise.
Walking on the trail and we saw 11 deer.
Yes. Now there's a deer again. Yes.
Wonder what? When to start?
Who first, you or me?
Me, because I'm the teacher.
Okay.
Students, get my mic right
Oh, I
here.
gotta put you there.
Okay.
I gotta put you.
Okay. You can be my assistant.
Yeah, I'm your assistant. Okay. More. More.
What's how many is advanced for chin up?
10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
Now, okay, how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'm gonna fall.
I think it's slippery
Oh, Papa's
because
turn.
of the sweat.
Yes.
Oh
it
no!
is.
Don't run, you scared the...
Stand in a line. Ma, stand behind Papa.
Okay, go. Copy. Oh.
I think I'll need some help on this.
Tom Tom needs help, Papa.
You're cheating. Stand up.
Oh my goodness.
Do it again.
I don't like it. Let's go.
Okay.
You're supposed to say yes, sir, when every time I say students. Students?
Yes, sir.
Papa.
You did not say yes, sir, Papa.
Yes, sir.
Let's try it again. Yeah. Okay. Students?
Yes, sir.